Please subscribe our channel Education Point and press bell icon to get notification of new educational videos.
Hello everyone, all of you are welcome to lecture number 154, and here I am discussing the aromatic conversions where 3 steps are involved, and here the aromatic compounds are converted into different types of aromatic compounds with the help of different types of reagents and catalysts with 3 steps, and all the reaction condition and their detail is given here. So here there are 3 conversions. These conversions involve the 3 steps where aromatic compounds can be converted into different compounds. For example, where aniline can be converted into benzoic acid. Again, the benzoic acid can be converted into aniline. Benzaldehyde can be converted into acetophenone. So the first conversion is the conversion of aniline into benzoic acid. So it involves 3 steps. In first step, aniline will undergo diazotization. That is, aniline, when it is treated with NaNO2HCl, diazotization will take place and diazonium salt will be produced, that is NCl, that is called benzene diazonium chloride. And this benzene diazonium chloride, when it is treated with KCl, that diazonium will be replaced by cyanide group and you will get benzonitrile, and then it is subjected to acid hydrolysis. It is converted into benzoic acid. So in this way, aniline can be converted with these 3 steps into benzoic acid. Number 2 conversion, that is the conversion of benzoic acid into aniline. And this conversion involves 3 steps. In first step, we are treating it with NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide, and which will convert the benzoic acid into ammonium benzoate. And this benzoate, when it is heated, it will lose 1 molecule of water and we will get benzamide, that is CONH2. And when it is treated with bromine, and that is called Hofmann bromide reaction or Hofmann reaction. It is a name reaction, and in this way, benzamide is converted into aniline. And number 3 is that is the conversion of benzaldehyde into acetophenone. So in this conversion, 3 steps are involved. First step, it is subjected to oxidation, that is in presence of potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid at temperature 313 Kelvin. Then benzaldehyde will be converted into benzoic acid because of oxidation. And in second step, decarboxylation means the removal of carboxylic group in presence of sodium and sodium hydroxide, calcium oxide. It will be changed into benzene, and this benzene is treated into CH3COCl and ammonium trichloride. You will get acetophenone. So in this way, these 3 conversions are done. So here, number 4, that is conversion of bromobenzene into m-nitrobenzoic acid. It involves 3 steps. In first step, there is replacement of bromine by CN group, and then second step is hydrolysis, and third step is nitration. So in first step, that is bromobenzene is treated with CuCN, and where bromine is replaced by CN group, and you will get benzonitrile, which is subjected to acid hydrolysis, and then it is converted into benzoic acid, and that benzoic acid, when it is treated with nitrating mixture, that is concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, nitration will take place and it will be changed into m-nitrobenzoic acid. At meta position, a nitro group is there. That's why it is called m-nitrobenzoic acid. Number 5 conversion is, that is conversion of benzene into p-nitobenzaldehyde. So here the benzene is having 3 steps. First step is alkylation, where alkyl group is introduced, and then nitration in presence of nitric acid, concentrated and concentrated sulfuric acid. Then ethyl reaction. Ethyl reaction means when it is subjected to oxidation, that is p-nitro-toluene, there it is converted into p-nitobenzaldehyde. That reaction is called ethyl reaction, that is name reaction. So this benzene, when it is treated with anhydrous aluminum trichloride, it is converted in alkylation will take place and it will be converted into toluene. And this toluene, when it is treated with nitrating mixture, means with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, it will be nitrated and you will get p-nitro-toluene. And this p-nitro-toluene, when it is subjected to oxidation, that is called ethyl reaction. Finally, it will be converted into p-nitobenzaldehyde. So here I will stop these reactions. Thank you very much, and again I will continue the aromatic conversions. Thank you very much once again.